right, for your next canopy, I want you guys to check these out right here. Now they give you instructions too, but the long poles are not included. But here we have them right here. We're gonna set them up right now because we're doing a structure, but not just any structure. I'm actually gonna do for a simulation, golf simulation structure. But I do need these because these have a flat base. You time down with the actual these screws. You guys can see that, so you could tie things into it. So these are perfect because I do have a golf simulator I'm going to be hanging. But first we're going to just do the structure. You guys can see it. So it's going to be a smaller structure than a canopy, but still using the same kind of format, except for the middle part. The middle structures, we're going to eliminate these two. Just have this one and this one together. All right, I just want you to see this stuff, how simple it is to tie them down. All right, so we are going to do the cross one here. All right, and this cross one, I am going to tie it up here. Look how simple it is to tie it up. Let's see if you guys can see it. And you go get smaller ones too, as long as this thing touches the metal pieces. Look at that, good structure. And this thing won't go anywhere. I mean, you guys can see I finished it, all four corners. You can do this for a tent, but this is gonna be my golf simulator tent net. That's pretty much what it's gonna be. I'm gonna stand here pretty much, swing away into the structure. So, and of course we're gonna have net on this side and net on this side. And look at the corners. Look at the four corners. I'm gonna show you guys the four corners right there. Perfect structure. So I'm set. We're gonna number them so I won't lose the order. I like to put the bottom footing too. We're ready to go. So if you guys are gonna use these for your tent, I'm actually gonna replace this one right here. This one's broken, so we're gonna replace that one too with one of those pieces I have. Hope you guys enjoy the video.